Hey there, design enthusiasts! If you're looking to elevate your outdoor space, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a world of captivating outdoor lamppost ideas that'll not only illuminate your surroundings, but also add a touch of personality. From classic lantern styles to contemporary sleekness, we've curated a selection to suit every taste. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be brimming with inspiration for your next outdoor project. Let's shed some light on these incredible ideas.
Lampposts can serve both functional and decorative purposes, and there are numerous creative ideas to consider when designing or decorating lampposts. Here are some lamppost ideas for inspiration. Classic lantern style. Choose a traditional lantern style lamp post with a metal or wooden frame and glass panels. This classic design adds a timeless and elegant look to any outdoor space. Solar powered lamps. Consider installing solar powered lamp posts. They are energy efficient and can illuminate your outdoor area without the need of electricity. Vintage or retro. Option for vintage or retro style lampposts to give your space a nostalgic old world charm. These can range from Victorian era design to mid century modern styles. Artistic customization. Commission an artist to create a unique hand painted lamp post with the design that complements your landscape or express your personal style. Nature inspired. Decorate your lamppost with elements from nature. Add climbing vines, floral arrangements, or even bird houses to create a natural and organic feel. Nautical theme. Create a coastal or nautical ambience by using maritime themed lampposts. Consider adding roofs, anchors, or weathered paint for that beachy look. Contemporary and minimalist. For a more modern aesthetic option for sleek and minimalist lamppost designs with clean lines and a neutral color palette. Rusting and weathered. Weathered wood or metal lampposts can bring a rustic charm to your outdoor space, making it feel cozy and inviting. Upcycled materials. Consider upcycling old materials like reclaimed wood, metal, or antique posts to create a lamppost with character and history. Garden trellis. Combine your lamppost with the trellis to support climbing plants like roses, ivy, or clematis. This creates a beautiful garden feature. Mason jar lamps. Attach mason jar lamps to the lamppost for a rustic and do-it-yourself inspired look. You can fill the jars with the fairy lights or candles for a warm glow. Geometric designs. Experiment with geometric patterns and shapes in the lamppost design, giving it a contemporary and artistic flair. Oriental or Asian influence. Incorporate elements from Asian design such as pagoda style lampposts, bamboo accents, or Zen garden inspired themes. Colorful accents. Paint your lamppost in vibrant and eye catching colors to make it stand out in your outdoor space. This is an excellent way to add personality. Street art and murals. Invite a local artist to paint a mural on your lamppost, turning it into a unique work of street art. Remember to consider the architectural style of your home, the surrounding landscape, and your personal preferences when choosing a lamppost design. With the right choice, your lamppost can become a striking focal point or a subtle complement to your outdoor environment. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.